In today's episode of Minute Lab, we talk about blue blood. Oxygen-saturated human blood has a bright red color, just like the blood of many other animals, but some animals are different in this respect. Octopi, for instance, have blue blood, so what is going on there? Human blood is brightly red colored by this impressive red iron heme complex, which we use to bind oxygen in our lungs and transport it through our bodies. But octopi don't have this molecule, so they have to rely on an alternative molecule to do the job, the protein hemocyanin. Inside the hemocyanin protein we can find this two-centered oxygen-copper complex, which absorbs visible light and gives the whole protein a bright blue color. So there we have it. The fact that octopi, spiders, lobsters and many other animals have blue blood is not just a matter of some different pigments in their blood, but reflects their distinct oxygen transport system. I've even heard rumor that some humans use hemocyanin for their oxygen transport too, but I'm not quite sure about that
a
one.
mysterious underwater structure was discovered on the seabed near Malibu, USA. It was an oval-shaped object with a large flat top and what appeared to be pillars or columns that looked like an entrance to an inner, darker area. 600 meters under the surface of the water and nearly 5 kilometers wide, few think the structure could be man-made. Even more bizarrely, the structure was emitting a strong radio signal. Its discoverer, Robert M. Stanley, claims that it is a portal used by aliens to communicate and travel to Earth. But is he correct? Is there an alien life form already living on Earth? The Malibu alien base is not the first claim of intelligent life forms or suspicious alien activities in our waters. Stanley is just one of a countless number of people who have reported unidentified submersible objects, or USOs. In 1997, National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration hydrophones detected the loudest sound ever recorded. Recorded off the southern coast of South America and named the bloop, its volume is too great to be made by any sea creatures known to science. Officially, its origin remains a mystery, but it is suspected to have come from an unknown alien life. A generation earlier, in 1963, off the coast of Puerto Rico, a US sonar operator detected an object traveling underwater at a speed of over 150 knots. Technicians tracked it for 4 days and observed it dive to depths of over 8,500 meters. In 1963, no submarine could withstand the pressure of the ocean at that depth. A few years later, on July 30th, 1967, the crew of an Argentinian shipping liner saw a shining 30-meter cigar-shaped object in the sea. It had a powerful blue and white glow. It sailed silently and without a wake through the water before suddenly diving beneath the ship and vanishing. Former CIA employee and NSA whistleblower Edward Snowden revealed that deep-sea sonar signals are kept as official state secrets, and the public are banned from accessing data about reported sightings of USOs. Could this be proof of a government cover-up surrounding underwater activity? The Russian Navy has also discovered mysterious underwater activities in Lake Baikal in southern Siberia. In 1982, they encountered unidentified objects swimming in silver outfits at depths of 50 meters, without breathing apparatus. The Soviet Union allegedly went to great lengths to cover this up, as well as several other USO sightings in Lake Baikal. Although some are quick to dismiss the link between alien spottings and our seas, biologist Ivan Sanderson found that 50% of UFO sightings occur either over, coming from, plunging into, or coming out of water. This includes oceans, seas, lakes, and reservoirs. More recently, USO structures have also been discovered at the bottom of the Baltic Sea by Swedish divers, and near the Saipan Islands by UFO hunter Scott Waring. But an existing conspiracy theory might explain all this. The Hollow Earth theory suggests that aliens inhabited the Earth long before humans ever did. An intelligent life form may be living in the Earth's mantle, as this is the only place on Earth that has been stable for billions of years. This would support the argument that aliens are using our seas as a highway. Evolutionary biologist Simon Conway Morris even suggests that these aliens may not look all that different to humans, due to a natural phenomenon known as convergent evolution. This is where different species find similar solutions to an environmental challenge. But according to Professor Stephen Hawking, an alien race would be millions, even billions of years more advanced than humans. If aliens are using the Earth's oceans, they would have found a way to travel, breathe, and hunt for prey with little resistance from the water. This theory correlates with the descriptions given by USO witnesses. Although many scientists and marine biologists dismiss the idea of aliens either living or simply passing through our waters, 95% of the Earth's underwater world remains unexplored. New species are continually being discovered as advances in technology allow humans to probe new depths. But why would intelligent aliens living in the sea hide from humans? Professor Hawking suggests that aliens would be so advanced that they would view humans in the same disdainful way that we view bacteria. Theorists like Robert Stanley believe that underwater activity by government agencies proves that there is more than just fish and plant life in our waters. Why else would they be so determined to conceal their oceanic and sonar activity from us? This covert behavior, plus the countless unexplained USO sightings, has led many people to conclude that aliens are indeed hiding underwater.
If you're an octopus or a cephalopod, you need to really understand how to use your surroundings to hide. In the next scene, you're going to see a nice coral bottom, and you'd see that an octopus would stand out very easily there if you couldn't use your camouflage, use your skin to change color and texture. Here's some algae in the foreground, and an octopus. Isn't that amazing? Now Roger spooked him, so he took off, a cloud of ink, lands, and when he lands, the octopus says, "Look, I've been seen, best thing to do is get as big as I can get." That big brown makes his eye spot very big, so he's bluffing. Let's do it backwards. I thought he was joking when he first showed it to me. I thought it was all graphics. So here it is in reverse. Watch the skin color, watch the skin texture. Just an amazing animal, can change color and texture to match the surroundings. Watch him blend right into this algae. 1, 2, 3. And now he's gone, and so am I. Thank you very much.